This one was on yesterday, and today's the last day, and it started about 20 minutes ago.
Okay. Should just be right around this corner, according to the GPS.
Your side.
Oh, and there it is.
Yep. Okay. It's nice when there's not all driveway.
Yeah.
You can park.
This guy did not park well.
No.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's go check it out.
Yep.
Hello.
Hello.
I forgot to wear my jersey.
Oh no! Quick, run in and get it. Oh, some old hardware.
Yeah, I don't have a lot left anymore. A lot sold yesterday.
Well, that's good. That's the whole idea, right? Remember those?
Yep.
How much is your hardware that...
How much money do you have in your pocket?
Oh, that one doesn't have a...
Maybe a couple bucks.
Sure.
Yeah.
Sounds good.
I don't want to put anything away.
Yeah, I hear ya.
Thank you very much.
Well,
Nice.
thank you.
Lots of hardware in those other things too, apparently. That
Oh, yeah?
yeah, if you're yeah, kind
Like a lot of stuff in
of you're
there.
left behind when we bought a property, and it was just an old guy in there, and
Yeah, just
we got
random.
Odds and ends, eh?
Yep.
Yeah. My husband was scamming through it this morning, and he's like, "There's some really cool stuff in here," but
Yeah.
I mean, we have drawers and drawers of that too.
Yeah, I don't know that there's anything...
So you're a crafty kind of person. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Try and restore. Sometimes I have to paint, though, like
Uh-huh.
dressers and stuff, because they
Absolutely.
are too far gone.
We just bought some of your hardware, and we're
Yay.
saying she refinishes all this stuff.
Yeah.
Hey, what did you buy?
Don't tell them how much.
Nice, nice.
Yeah,
Those are neat, aren't they?
they are neat.
Those are the old
I told
antique
her to
ones.
go through
Yeah.
there that she might
There's
find
a whole
something.
whack of
Yeah,
there's
just...
watches or whatever in there. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. She's buying something.
Yeah, you
Thanks,
bet.
guys.
Have
Good
a
luck
great
today.
day.
Okay. This was number 3?
2.
2?
Yeah, these are great. That'll really add to
Nice.
something that I put them on. This one is today only, and it started about half an hour ago.
Okay.
Got you turning, yeah, I was gonna say you should be turning here, I think.
Yep. Okay.
Okay,
Should just be down here. I think I see a sign next to a
Oh.
tree there. Is that
I
it?
think I see some people,
Yeah.
some stuff. This is such a nice area.
Well, this is the sign, but that's not the garage sale. But
No,
yeah.
up there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Let's go.
Oh, there's a kitty. Hi, kitty. Do you want to come have some pets? Hello, sweetie. Hi. Oh, that's a girl kitty.
Hello.
Oh, isn't she pretty? Good girl.
jewelry.
Yeah.
You going to the game today? You're going to sit home watching?
No. Yep.
Beer's cheaper.
Yeah.
Bathroom's closer. I'm with
Seats
you.
are more comfortable.
We're so lucky though that we have such a good
Fan base.
that we're able to stay home on a home game day and still watch it on TV.
Yeah.
Because a lot of provinces don't get that.
They get blacked out.
Well, this is
Oh, like a spinner.
yeah.
Neat.
That is neat. Wonder. I bet it's silver.
It looks silver, doesn't it?
Yeah. How much are your rings?
50 cents.
Well.
It's a fidget ring.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It sounds
That's
like
what I use it for. Right?
that's what I'll be using it for.
Lovely.
Thank you. Is there clothing up on
Yeah,
that?
help
Oh,
yourself.
okay. I'll have a peek up there.
You'll fit it. It's our size.
Oh yeah. Okay.
And size 7 shoes.
Okay. It's a cute little table.
Yeah.
These little bra tops are cute. Oh yeah, that's stretchy. And the back is nice.
Oh yeah.
These are what, $1 each.
I'll close $2 unless otherwise marked. So
But these are,
yeah, good deal.
yeah. And this one's cute. Get this one too. These are the lacy ones for $1. I mean, that's pretty good. Cute little. Okay, how many do I have here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Do I want another one? Make it 5? Make it easier?
Sure.
This is like a bathing suit top though.
Yeah, that one looks like bathing suit. You don't really do anymore.
No.
When was the last time we went to a public pool?
Yeah.
Like almost 20 years ago.
Yeah.
Of course, it was the water slides and it was awesome.
It was awesome. We had so much fun.
We did.
Take a ride on the wild slides, a super summer treat.
Wild Slides, Highway number 1 East.
It's a wild slide summer treat. Wild slides.
I'm so sad that that's not a thing anymore.
I know, they closed it, hey?
And they had the best, well, I don't know if they were the best fries or if we were just so,
Sun-baked.
and they were so hot and salty and oh, so good.
The good old days.
5 of them.
Okay, so are they $1 each?
Well, I think so. One of them,
3, 4. Perfect.
yeah, one of the, 2 of them had the $1 each
Yep.
pinned on. So I just assumed they were all.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay. Ooh,
Oh, there it goes.
Oh, I should probably get this.
Oh, you got it.
got it.
Oh,
I know.
Sure.
that's what Angie gets. I'll take.
Have to
I'll-
redo it though. Hey?
Yeah, that's okay. I can do that.
You can?
Yeah,
How?
it's not very hard.
Well, where do you find the tools for this?
So what I do, okay, so normally, can you hold those for a second? When you take them up, okay, so this just comes off. This is the easy part, right?
Yeah.
You've recovered a seat before.
Yeah.
So the back, it pulls off.
Okay.
And then usually there's a piece of like cardboard here.
Yeah.
And what I do is I just recover the cardboard separately,
Yeah.
recover the front like I did the,
Yeah.
and then I use these tacks.
Like, do you clean them?
No, I don't use actually these ones, but this type of thing.
Gets new ones.
Yeah. And then I tack the back on.
Oh.
So it's not exactly the same,
same.
but it works well.
See, I bought it thinking I would
redo it.
redo it, but then I was like, well, how do I even?
Because this is a one piece, right?
It is, and I
So
was like,
just-
how do I even get all that stuff
You just
back
pull it off. I don't reuse this because it doesn't come off
Okay.
well. Unless maybe you want to keep it now.
No, you
Oh,
go
okay.
ahead. I got so many.
Oh my God.
And
Me
I'm like
too.
on Amazon, googling up like reupholstery tools.
You don't need special tools.
Really? Thank you. Okay, cool.
It's, yeah, like this is just, you've done chairs before.
Yeah,
so,
a stool, not a chair.
Oh.
A stool.
So, yeah, so you know how they just come off and you
Yeah.
unscrew and then you just,
Well, and then do you like sand this down and
yep.
repaint it?
Yeah, a lot of it, like this one might be too far gone, but
Yeah.
chrome, if you crumple up,
Yeah.
Tinfoil.
yeah, and get it wet and just rub it. Like all of this would come off for sure.
It's crazy.
I know, it doesn't scratch it. You think it would scratch the shit out of it, but it wouldn't. Yeah, chrome will come right back if it's
send
just.
me a picture of this.
Yeah.
When you do that, because I've had this for 2 years and I just like, my husband's like, what are you doing with that? I'm selling it. I don't know what to do with it. But see, we have stools that I redid and I spray painted them.
Yeah.
But where you put your foot, like here, it's all coming off. So how do you not do that?
Did you sand them first?
I did not.
That's why.
But I primed it.
But it won't. Even primer won't stick to like something really shiny. It needs to have that little bit of grit to get into. Yeah.
So if I sand it now and redo it, it'll work?
I think so.
Well, thank you.
Thank you.
For telling me that.
Yeah, no problem. Well, good luck with your I know, because I've done that too, where like I had one of these for the longest time, and I was like, oh my God, like why did I buy that? Because I'm not gonna, because I kind of put it off. I don't really know what to do. But then once I took it apart, I was like, oh. Then like for the back piece, I just use a spray adhesive to spray the fabric on, and then it fold it over on the inside, and then just tack it on. And sometimes I'll do like a little bit of hot glue in the corners because it's a little thick from the fabric.
Yeah.
You can totally do it.
Talk soon.
Yeah.
Have a good day.
You too.
Hi, kitty. Kitty, 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 kitty. Coming where the action is.
Got your frillies.
Thank you. For $1 each.
Yeah.
Why not?
Good price.
Yeah.
Hey, kitty, kitty, kitty.
Now, it might rain. So, should I put this in the back seat or should I just put it in the?
I would just stick it in the back of the truck.
Okay. There we go. That's gonna swing around.
Yeah, it'll be fine.
Okay.
Okay, let's keep going.
Okie dokie. Yeah, this ring is neat.
Mm-hmm. It looks silver.
I think it is. I saw a mark in it.
Okay.
50 cents?
Yeah.
Sure. Oh my God.
Hey!
Forgot that was in here.
Gift for you, ma'am.
Oh, thank
Hey.
you.
I only got one left.
Oh, that's okay.
Oh no! Oh, I'm gonna be like, oh, this is so good. Thanks for the sucker.
You're more than welcome. Take care. Stay dry.
Have a good
You
one.
too. Jealous.
No. Yes. Snatch it.
That's pretty.
It is pretty. Whoa. Close.
I'm gonna eat it in front of you. Even if I don't like suckers, I still eat it in front of you. Make sounds.
Oh, that's nice. Probably get some Kool-Aid. 50 cents?
Yeah. Thank
You saving up for something?
you. Yeah, hockey. Yeah.
Sweet. Thanks, man.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Have a good day.
You too.
Have a good day.
Cherry. Thanks, guys.
How was it?
Yeah.